Hello, welcome friends. Today we will discuss one design problem of a multi-plate clutch. Previously we have discussed the numerical problems of a single plate clutch. So first of all we will read out the problem. A multi-disc clutch has 3 discs on the driving shaft and 2 on the driven shaft. The inside diameter of the contact surface is 120 mm. The maximum pressure between the surface is limited to 0.1 Newton per mm square. Design the clutch for transmitting 2.5 kilowatt power at the speed of 1575 rpm. Assume uniform wear condition and coefficient of friction as 0.3. So in this, first of all we will write down the given data. So the given data is, first of all, plates number of disc is given. So N1 number of disc, 3 disc on the driving shaft, that means N1 is equal to 3 and 2 on the driven shaft. Now the diameter of the outer surface is given, inside diameter is given, that is 120 mm, which we can say 60 mm, radius is 60 mm. Now maximum intensity of pressure is given as 0.1 Newton per mm square. Now the power is given to you. Power is how much? 25 kilowatt, or we can say 25 into 10 to the power 3 watt. Speed RPM is given as 1575 rpm, and the coefficient of friction is given as 0.3. Now we know that the standard equation of torque transmitted is what? T is equal to N mu W R. This is a standard equation of torque transmitted. Now again, the torque transmitted in terms of power we can say is so we'll write down the values. So it will be 25 into 10 to the power 3 into 60 is divided by 2 pi into N is what? 1575. So therefore the value of T will be how much? 151.6 Newton meter, or in mm we can say 151.6 into 10 to the power 3 Newton mm. So this will be our value for torque in mm. Now secondly, axial thrust W is 2 pi c r1 minus r2. The value of c is unknown, but we know that intensity of pressure is inversely proportional to the radius. So if maximum pressure is given to us, that means maximum pressure will be where? To the inside diameter. So P max into R2 must be equal to C. From here what we can find, C is what? P max is what? P max is 0.1 and radius will be R2 will be 60. So we can write 6 Newton per mm, the value of C. So if you put the value in above equation, what we will get? W is equal to 2 pi into 6. R1 is not given to us, R1 minus 60. So from here the formula of W will be, or we can say the value of W will be 37.7. if we solve this, R1 minus 60. So this will be our value of W. Now moving towards R, the value of mean radius, capital R for uniform wear, because it is mentioned that it is we have to consider uniform wear theory, and in uniform wear the value of mean radius or the formula of mean radius will be r1 plus r2 upon 2. So if we implement this value, r1 is nothing, it is not given to us, we have to find out, and r2 is what, 60. So therefore the value of r will be how much, 0.5 r1 plus 30. Now see, in this n is what, n is a number of contact surfaces. So if we see that the plate is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, if there are 5 plates in contact, that means what, that means the contact surface will be 4 less than the number of plates we are having. So therefore n is what, n1 plus n2 minus 1. So if we implement the values, 3 plus 2 minus 1, n will be equal to how much, 4. n will be equal to how much, 4. So if we implement, now if we implement all these values, the value of t, w, r and n in equation 1, what we will get? Putting all values in equation 1, what we get? T is equal to n mu w r is the formula. What is T? T is 151,600 equal to, n is what, 4, mu is what, 0.33, w is what, w is 37.7, r1 minus 60, and r is what, 0.5 r1 plus 30. So if we solve all this, what we will get, 22.62 r1 square minus 81432. So if we solve this, what we will get, the value of r1 will be 101.5 mm. So this will be our required answer. So this is the problem of a design of a multi-plate clutch. In the next lecture we will deal another problem of a design of a multi-plate clutch. Thank you.